Hey y'all, come on in. Let's make some steamed broccoli with shredded Parmigiana Reggiano cheese. It's aged 18 months. It's gonna be delicious. Really quick, fast, simple vegetable for the side. I just put a small layer of water at the bottom of the pot. And then we'll get these thrown in there. When I was growing up, my mom used that metal steamer that looks like flour. It opens up. And I used to use that a lot, but then all the, like a little piece would come off here and there. And so I stopped. And basically, if I'm steaming it, I still just put a layer of water at the bottom, throw the vegetables on top, and then after a few minutes, just stir the vegetables so that they evenly get cooked. But with broccoli, you can like bring it to a boil, not like, it's not covering the broccoli, and then put the top on, and after like a second, you can just turn it off because the heat that's in there will end up cooking the broccoli enough. Time to shred some cheese. I hate shredding cheese. I have a fear of cutting my fingers so much. Usually I just put it in the food processor because I am so scared of it. It's probably not even an illegitimate fear. It like has happened before. I hate that feeling. The broccoli's ready. Probably only took about like 5 minutes or so. Let's see, 1 cup of broccoli, like most vegetables like this, is 25 calories. Can you believe that? Let's have my broccoli, sprinkle of salt. Parmigiana Reggiano. Delicious.